Massive rolls of heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, ready to form the tough, waterproof foundation of the strongest dog seat cover built for large breeds.
Automated machines precisely unroll the rugged Oxford fabric, while quality technicians inspect every inch for strength and waterproof integrity.
Computer-controlled laser and blade cutters shape the fabric panels with perfect precision, creating the exact patterns needed for the heavy-duty seat extender. Thick polypropylene honeycomb boards, engineered to support up to 500 pounds, are cut and reinforced for the ultra-strong hard-bottom platform. Specialized sewing stations add reinforced binding and heavy-duty stitching to all fabric edges, ensuring maximum durability against active large dogs. Advanced lamination machines bond multiple waterproof TPU layers to the fabric, creating 7-layer protection that repels mud, water, and fur. Reinforced PP boards are carefully inserted into dedicated zippered compartments, forming the rock-solid 500-pound capacity foundation. Heavy-duty nylon straps, buckles, and vehicle anchor systems are securely sewn and attached for effortless installation and rock-solid stability. Side and back panels are joined together with heavy stitching, creating the full hammock-style extender that protects doors and seats completely. Breathable mesh panels are precisely integrated, allowing airflow while maintaining full protection and visibility for the dog. Every seam receives final reinforcement stitching, transforming separate pieces into one incredibly tough, unified seat cover designed for large dogs.
Rigorous automated testing presses 500 pounds of weight onto the hard bottom to verify unmatched strength and stability for even the largest dogs.
High-pressure water jets thoroughly test the 7-layer waterproofing, confirming complete protection against mud, spills, and wet paws. Storage pockets, non-slip backing, and all remaining hardware are added, completing the premium heavy-duty dog seat cover. Experienced inspectors meticulously check every detail, ensuring the seat cover meets the highest standards for strength, safety, and durability. The finished seat cover is neatly folded and prepared for packaging, maintaining its pristine condition for customers. Custom protective bags and sturdy boxes encase the product, safeguarding it during shipping to pet owners everywhere. Completed packages are stacked onto pallets, ready for distribution as the ultimate hard-bottom dog seat cover for large dogs.